Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Todd Taylor. Todd is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today.
Thanks very much, Brad.
So I wanted to talk to you today about town growth. Obviously, a lot of residents are concerned because they see the town growing and they're unsure as to, how long and how far is this going to go. So how far and where do you see the town in 5 to 10 years?
Yeah, so this is a big topic for the election, obviously. The provincial government has mandated growth for each municipality through the Places to Grow Act. So a lot of the decisions have already been made by the province, but we still have ways that we can help ourselves. So steady growth is healthy for any municipality in my mind, but we must be careful to manage the growth and provide value while not impacting the existing residents. So zoning bylaws and the town's official plan will really determine the direction and density for Orangeville for years to come. That said, our town is set to grow to 36,500 people. So the issue is that water and sewage rates, we don't have the ability to go above and beyond that, right? So if we were to go beyond that, that would require massive investment in water and sewage. And to be honest, that's not something that I would support. It's not a direction that I would want to go from a financial standpoint. So in terms of developers, I would like to see our developers go beyond the 5% allocated to green areas. I'll push for more green space. I'll push for more parking spots in any development that is done. Again, I'm only one vote, but I will do my best to work with the rest of council and town staff to ensure that our development plan is in a good place moving forward. And the last thing is public meetings and public input will be essential to making sure that all of us are on the same page with what we're going to do with future development.
Awesome. Well, thank you again for coming in, Todd, and addressing this important concern. And if you'd like to see some more content and what else Todd has to say, please do check out the links below. And thank you for watching.